Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for crypto related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and we're here for an emergency Bitcoin crashing stream. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out throughout the stream. Haven't even had time to set up. I just basically saw Bitcoin was crashing and running here to sit down and look at the market, right? Bitcoin started to go down massively and breaking a lot of supports. We're going to check that in a second. How we all are doing good. Madison, thank you very much for the kind donation. I saw that. It's not. There we go. Legendary, Madison. That is an awesome donation. Chandler, oh, Madison, thank you for being here. Jake, yes, because of Elon. Yeah. This is really bad. Yes, I heard there's something about Tesla not taking some kind of payment or something. I haven't really looked at it. It may just ping me. Awesome, dude. It's awesome, Madison. Pressing your deposit. Yes. Long time no see. Yes. What else? Ultra Decay, Litecoin. Yes. Definitely. Yo. Yeah, I'm here. We're here for, see the market crash. It's going to bounce. These are longs going to liquidate it, right? We're going to get some bounce. We're going to get a reaction rally. I don't think it's going to be the end of it. I haven't even looked at the Elon tweet. I'm going to have to go look for it. What is Elon saying? He's probably testing his powers. He's like, I got digital superpowers, man. I'm going to go test them out. Doge, pump. Bitcoin down, crash, right? He's probably doing some weird stuff like that. Yeah, what did he tweet, man? What did he tweet exactly? Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions. This is my transaction. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So he's basically saying, it uses dirty energy to produce it. So that's not true. We know. So well, yeah, kind of is true, but we know that. Sometimes They are produced with other kinds of energies, like renewables, right? Like solar or even hydro, right? So they're like, particularly in China, where they produce it with hydro when like, you know, it's rain season and it's super cheap. That's where, you know, a lot of mining takes place. So I'm not sure why they're coming out and saying this. By the way, this is a tweet I'm looking at. I'll show it here on the stream. It says, has suspended vehicle purchases using the Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels in Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea. One quick second, guys. Awesome, I'm back. Kids, we're fighting. Anyway, crypto is a good idea on many levels, and we lose a promising future, but we cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we do intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transactions is more sustainable energy, right? They're using for cryptos that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. Interesting to see that. It's making everyone crash. Right, so looking at that, having looked at that, we're gonna be in for a rough week, I guess, right? They're not selling, so I'm not sure why people are panicking and dropping, right? Yeah. He should say that Tesla's gonna start making, you know, use of recycled car parts, I guess, to build everything and maybe make it out of, like, you know, plant-based plastics, so they're renewable and not made out of oil-based plastics, I guess. I'm not sure. Like, it's such a dumb comment. It is taking it, you know, quite a bit down. How much has Bitcoin gone down? Just on yesterday. What was this? 12% right now, another 1.81. Like I said, I'm expecting some pullback. We did see Ethereum taking a hit from that. Not a massive hit. Ethereum's already on positive. It did crash yesterday to a 3618 again, holding support prices that we had not seen since, you know, 2 days ago. So nothing too massive. That drop here did hit prices from, you know, May the 8th. But we are going back up. Should you panic sell? No, you should panic hold. No one should tell you what you should do, man. I'm kidding, by the way. I cannot tell you what to do. Jeff Loomis, how's it going, man? Shoe side, at least get a buying chance. Yes, right. You're gonna be able to buy cheaper. Nice hash withdrawals are disabled. Yeah, I wouldn't, you know, doubt that we might see some exchanges crashing a little bit. Right, few targets on the way down. Should you panic sell? All right, first before fifth targets, we're just gonna be talking about Bitcoin right now because I'm just here for this. I don't think I'm gonna be here until 9 p.m. At least I hope that's not gonna be the case. I want to go and have dinner. And I'll be back here at 9 again. I just want to jump in, tell you guys to chill. We are moving down. It is moving down. There is a reason, right? I did see something about the Elon tweet. I just hadn't read the Elon tweet. Yeah, everyone's panicking. In the end, it doesn't affect the outcome. Tesla still bought Bitcoin. They're just not going to allow for you to buy Tesla with Bitcoin, which, again, yes, it was a big use case, but in the end, it doesn't really affect it. They're still going to hold. They're not going to offload their Bitcoin, and they're basically not going to transact until it's more sustainable, which that is not going to be the case for Bitcoin until everyone that farms it is on some kind of solar power, right? Maybe that's Elon's plan. He's going to start selling. Leonel, thank you for being here. Bust like mine. Hey. By the dips, yes, it is a great buying opportunity. It was a great buying opportunity around 45,000, right, or whatever it hit here in the low ends. He's probably going to try to sell now solar panels to all the Bitcoin miners. So he wants to own the world, man. Elon wants to own the world. Yeah. So we're getting that moving down. We are hitting resistance to downside. We had here 46,801. We hit it. We hit this one here also at 45,464. And the one we didn't trigger was here, 43,923. Those are supports to the downside. We have been on these areas before. Not really worried about it. This is a new day. Again, we're going down. I'm trying to find support. We might pivot and try to pump back up. I'm still not sure how much of a effect that tweet's going to have. I think we're seeing it play out right now. And we're really starting to see some resistance to go lower. We might see a lot of companies like MicroStrategy and someone else coming and selling. They're gonna buy more, right? So we might see that. Madison says, panic sell. All right, don't panic sell. Think about what you're gonna do, right? Don't panic anything. I have a joke position open that's going down. Not down a lot. It just went down from where I wanted to exit. I should have exited earlier on another asset. Not on Bitcoin because I'm still good. Ethereum, I'm still good. So now someone set 5 targets on the way down. Right. I don't think we're gonna be able to do 5 targets. I don't believe we're gonna be doing a valid retrace. I want to check. I'm just not sure whether or not we're gonna be doing a valid retrace, right? And that's what we want to find, a valid retrace for us to be able to get targets, right? So I'm gonna go to this is Ethereum. Sorry, let's go to the corn here. Let's zoom out. I'm gonna use this chart. I'm gonna use this as a local low and that to be the local high, and then see where we're at, right? On this case, sorry, in this chart, I do believe we're gonna be making a valid retrace. So from this low to this high, we're going down a bit, right? Nothing crazy, but we're going down a bit. Something happened here. Oh, Madison, thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome, Madison. Thank you very much for that. I really, really appreciate it. Soka's saying number 1. You're getting burned on Shiv. Yeah, also, isn't it fun? Vitalik kind of offloaded his Shiv and all his weird coins, dog name coins, because, you know, he had a lot, and he had, I don't know how many millions he donated. Guys, give me one quick second. The kids are like, you know, getting into a fight, so I need to go check on them. Be right back. I'm back. Sorry about that. The kids are like, you know, yeah, real world. Anyways, I'm back. Let's keep rolling. Bitcoin going down. We're trying to get targets. We hit that 50% retrace. We might go lower to that 618. Could we go lower? Yes, we definitely could try to anchor to a lower point. We need to come down here or down here and consider this to be the local low and that to be the top, definitely. And then even on this case, we're doing a drop below that 236. So on both cases, we're doing retraces. Here, our next target's at 40, the 382 at 42,851. On the first case that we were looking at, considering this to be the local bottom, at least we're hitting that 50, which is at 46,000. And then the 618 is at 42,962, right? So you have 2 hits that we could have here at 42,962. One is that 618, the end of the retrace zone. It would go there, hit and bounce. The next one, it would be going here. And again, it's at 42,800, right? So 40,800, 40,800, more or less in the same zone. We could be going there, right? Last day of Bitcoin. Glad we have proof of stake. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting for Bitcoin, right? It's gonna be interesting for Bitcoin how it's gonna keep on moving. 21 moving average touch. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the moving average. I even have my you said the weekly moving average, right? So I gotta check that one out. He's on the weekly. Yes, we also hit the 20. The 21 is going to be very close, so it's not going to be really doing a lot here. Yeah, we're also hitting it and we're bouncing. That is fine. Again, I can see it here, right? Look, made it to 21. We're hitting it. We're bouncing. It's all good. It's all good. We're still in the parabolic advance. I'm not worried about that yet. That parabolic advance has not been broken, and I don't think Elon tweets is going to break that. It's a lot of strength that we're seeing here. Again, let me get this on log scale. Let me hide the Bollinger Bands. They really skew everything out of proportion. And here we go, right? We're still in the parabolic advance. We're taking that drop on this week. Again, so far going down 15%. Could we come down here and touch that zone? Yes, it's not outside of their area of possibilities. How much of a drop would that put on this week? It'd be a 42% drop. We've done it before on a 40% drop, hitting that area, right? We did it back here. Look. Not on the one drop, but on a drop, right? A 41% drop from here to here. 37, 38. So again, we're not really talking about anything crazy. We can even look at this one up here. And this one's going from here to here at 60% drop. Again, you know, it's not really the end of the world right now. What? I shall try in Russian. What? Steve, the last hour is very, very red. Yes, for a lot of people, man. Not just you. It's going down. I'm still green on my overall position. And like I said, we're finding support. We're at 49,000 again. We're going to reclaim 50,000, hopefully, and try to move back up. Let's go on the Bitcoin shorter time scale. See if we have anything here that we could, you know, use to say, this is going to help us go up, which I'm not really. I'm not sure we're going to get, man. Low, high. Here on the RSI, we're definitely oversold at 25.73, and here at 24. So 25, 24, going slightly lower here on the RSI, right? So from here to here, we'd definitely be going lower, right? And from here to here, we're going higher, right? Again, now starting to go green again, going to reclaim 49,700. Very close, very close. We were just rejected. So again, like I said, we are getting that pullback. It's a great sniping opportunity, guys. It's a great sniping opportunity to buy Bitcoin at below 50K. Again, bearish, hidden bullish, potential fraction to the upside, maybe stagnation happen. If we drop to these levels again, we're no longer going to have it again. We broke a lot of supports, trying to reclaim them and see where we're going to go, right? Kitty Kush and ETH are holding strong. Yeah, they're both going back up again. Hermes Cat's his name, hash something. Pedro Garancho, maybe. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm checking, make sure I'm not missing anything. Emotional support, dogs to the crypto. Yeah, in a bit, man. In a bit. Just give me a second, man. I have the door closed. It closes to the outside, so the dog's not gonna be able to get in. So just give me a bit, and I'll see if I can bring the dog in. What else? What else are we talking about here on Bitcoin, man? We haven't looked at the daily, man. Also, to see what's happening there. State of the dog. The state of the dog is fine. She's okay. She's stable. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral. Sold at 37.46. So we're on that sold stone, right? Yeah, we're in that sold area. The dog's fine. Your shame is you'll wear state of dog. All right. How's the Seamus gear? Let me know, because I haven't seen some of the gear in real life. Anyways, we had, this is gonna be a messy chart, but we had this lines of up sloping support. We're breaking back into them, right? That's not good. We're breaking back into an old channel that we had broken out of. And we're breaking below at 75%. This is an equidistant rising channel. This will be here, the 0 line, 25, 50, 75, and 100. No, we got to get above a lot of support, right? You're going to have a lot of resistance, overhead that we need to move above. And being in this channel, that 75 to 50% is not good, man. The other thing I don't like is that we're finally confirming a new low on Bitcoin. What do I mean by a new low on Bitcoin? Well, this is a high, right? Again, higher than the previous high, and that's what Bitcoin was doing. Now it's the first time, right, in a while, I would even consider this to be a lower high than the previous high, right? And then we got this consolidation, but it's the first time in a while that we're making a lower high. And that's not necessarily the best thing. That is now going to be saying Bitcoin has a resistance line. And that resistance line goes like this, right? Now, the question is whether or not we're going to break back above that resistance line. When we're going to do it? Are we going to do a divergence or not? Here on the daily, we're starting to create bullish divergence. So I'm going to draw it on the chart where we have our divergences, right? Or this chart. Our main coin chart. Again, it's pulling back down a bit. We still have the whole day to go, right? It's just going to be a painful day, I think, right now. It's starting to look like a painful day, man. And from here to here, we are sold at 36.87 still. Your rock Seamus, awesome. He amazes English spelling. Not this. Oh, interesting, dude. Amaze cool. Translates to Hope. Oh, interesting, dude. He has a Hope cat. A lot of people ain't thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on Discord. Links are gonna be going out in a second. I didn't have time to paste the new links. I think my invitations to the Discord are like, you know, dead or something. Let's see this, man. Invites. Where are the invites? Are my invites expired? No, they're still good. Right. I can use them. There we go. Hit that join us on Discord. That's what you should do if you know what's happening. Elon. I wish I could say it. I cannot say it here. But there's words that start with the letter F. And then you, Elon. Because why you go do that, right? It's like, you need to buy renewable energies for the Bitcoin. Let's find other coins that are going to be powerful. And not burn a lot of energy. I agree with some of that. He just, you know, he's going to just crash in the market. I hope like the market just pumps harder. If anything. Madison, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Wouldn't it be weird if like Elon came out and said, yo guys, that was a joke. We're not really gonna stop doing that. Thank you for letting me buy Bitcoin at a lower price. That's all for today. It'll be so bad for a lot of people if that is the case. It's gonna be so bad for a lot of people if that is the case, man. This is not gonna be fun. Jake sending the tweet. I think it's the one I sent, right? This is the one I showed. It tells me it doesn't exist, Jake. I can't open it. There we go. It's the one I shown. That's fine. See what I'm telling you? See what I'm telling you? Like, people started to come out already. Even Pompliano saying, Elon, you realize that 75% of miners use renewable energy, right? This energy story has been debunked over and over again. So, it's yeah, it's been you know, talked about. I've seen that from I've seen other ones, other tweets, you know, and other stuff regarding Elon, but not this one today. I knew there was something about it. I heard something about it, and it just came on live. That's awesome. His dumb stuff with Doge, yeah. Can you unlike a tweet? Yeah, just hit it again. Market manipulation? Yeah, very likely. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of companies are buying down here and waiting for this to rally back up. It is the Wild West in crypto still. So, we'll keep on crashing. Right now, we need to get above 59,691. And then we're going to have a lot of resistance overhead. Hopefully we'll be able to get above those resistances, right? Log scale, sorry, man. These lines are from way back here, not from log scale. Log scale does skew the lines up a bit. So we're not back in that channel that I was talking about earlier, right? Thanks, Alex, man. I really appreciate it. I had to jump for this emergency stream, so I wasn't, you know, I didn't have a chance to ping you about it. But thank you for the for the thumbnail, man. Well, we're gonna use that one right now. We're gonna use that one right now here for this.
Bought $1,500 of Link at $42. Cold face.
What? Yo, Gavin Guidry, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
That is great, man. You bought $1,500 worth of Link at $42. How is that possible? Where do you get that? Where do you get that? Yeah, for reals. Let me know. How do you get? Like, was someone like in an like urgency to sell, or was that at the price you initially bought at? I'm not sure how you got that. It's interesting though. That's kind of cool. There we go. Right on. Something happened here. Madison, another kind donation. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome, Madison. Thank you very much for that. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah. Simple but fast. Yes, I appreciate it, man. What's up, Andrew? Just checking out the corn crashing. I mean, the last hour wasn't super bad. Some people are saying we'll see 20K. Nah, I'm not sure, man. I don't think we're going to go to 20K yet. I mean, think about it. 20K is $30,000 less from where we're at right now. I mean, like, Bitcoin would have to crash insanely hard. And that would break the parabolic advance that we're in. I don't think we're going to be breaking the parabolic advance. Oh, thanks, Madison. I appreciate it. Let's see the parabolic advance. You need a sticker, thanks. Yeah. Is there news or is it just a buying opportunity? Oh, Elon came out and tweeted. That's why it's dropping. Elon came out with his magical words of wisdom to say that Bitcoin is unsustainable because they use a lot of fossil fuels, and basically, you know, Tesla, which is a green company, and renewable energy and all that other stuff. How are we going to be supporting this? And, you know, they want cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy. And, you know, a lot of people coming out here to jump on that and say their piece. Like, you know, you realize that this is not the case, right? Like 75% of miners, right? And people saying Bitcoin is better for the environment than gold and banks. Probably very likely. Probably even fiat. How much money and energy and ink is spent on printing fiat currency? And, you know, it has to be mined. So why is he taking money? Right? It comes from the mines. The mines, not all the mines have dirty processes, but a lot of mines use fossil fuels for the equipment within the mines. I've been within mines a lot of times, so I know what I'm talking about here. You have those big trucks that are, you know, if it's an underground mine, they're going in and out. They have a higher, risk for the people that are working in the mines, particularly the underground mines. And then the large mines, still, like those large trucks, you think they're not using gas?
Using what I can lose.
Yo, Gavin, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much. No, bro, I think it's okay. I just didn't get it. You said you bought $1,500 of Link at $42. All right, cool. I got it. So you purchased Link at $42, but you bought $1,500 worth of Link. All right, cool. I think I didn't understand the first time. It's okay. I mean, right now, I'm not sure how Link is doing. I'll check it out for you, man. Look, 50K. There we go, right? Reclaiming areas. We might see a green day for the corn, man. Might be a great longing opportunity that we just seen, right? I said might, remember, right? It might be a good longing opportunity, depending on how we keep on recovering. We no longer have the bullish divergence that we were looking for on the daily, right? Yeah. I don't think he's salty about Doge not going to $1. I don't think he's a sore loser. I think he's, probably someone put the idea in his head that Bitcoin's, uses a lot of dirty energy, and that, how can Tesla be backing a company that's doing that when they're using renewable energies for their cars? I think that's more along those lines. And he's like, oh, damn, it's no longer funny anymore. I guess we'll drop it. He's probably salty that people didn't like SNL. All in 100 times leverage. No advice. Link. Let's check Link for Gavin Goodry. Let's see, dude. Where's that link, man? Again, remember, request for the night stream. Right now, it's just chill time. Coming here, talking corn, telling you guys not to panic. Right, don't panic. 43. He didn't take a massive hit, bro. You bought at 42. You're doing okay. You actually bottomed the way back up. That's fine. I think I think it was a fine buy, dude. Right now, it looks okay. It's recovering nicely. 4.66% to the upside already. You know, it's like, Bitcoin. You know, I no longer care about what you did. Yeah. Elon, go screw yourself, and he's gonna pump again, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish again. Reclaiming that 3618. Link's doing okay. 4-hour link. Again, same thing that we see with Bitcoin, right? We're doing higher highs. First, lower high that we have. So high to low. High to low and high to low. We did have on this 4-hour chart bearish divergence, by the way, right? So let's do that here. And let's go from here to here. And here to here, right? Low, lower, and then negative, less negative, right? So with that, we have right now strong bullish divergence here on the 4-hour also, which is going to help Link go higher up, right? Again, neutral, sold at 39.44. We're going to try to get back to the neutral zone here. Let's go back to the 1-hour chart. What? Is Haikar Jesus in the house? I'm not sure. Yeah, he's gonna say that he foresaw the Elon tweet in his dreams or something. Here on Link, again, it's nice, it's bullish, dude. I think you did a good call here on Link. Look at this, right? We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence for action to the upside, and it's starting to recover again. The market was good, even Ethereum was doing good yesterday, right? Bitcoin had moved it down. Ethereum was at 4,100. Look at Ethereum. There it goes, dude, right? 3,920. It's got to start reclaiming it. It has been on these levels before, a couple days ago on May the 10th, actually. So 2 days ago, it was down here. For Ethereum, it didn't really drop that hard. I think the coin that got hit the hardest was Bitcoin, and then now it's going to try to recover, right? Again, not really crazy about this one, right? ASD, blah, blah, did you just like whatever type on the keyboard? What's going on? Bitcoin's dropping. Link just really solved a lot of problems, and it runs off Ethereum, which is holding strong. It runs off Ethereum, yeah. Yeah, it's an okay buy. I bought another coin. I bought a meme coin. I didn't buy it when it got wrecked, though. I bought it at a good entry value, and I didn't buy a lot of it. I just bought like $50 worth of it. I bought this one, Elon. I bought it around 32. So I'm still up some, right? I almost 2 times here at 80 something. I was waiting for a 96 hit. So I could just take, my capital out. Right now I'm still okay. Again, I'm not doubling it by any means. I did double at some point in time. I got greedy. I was really, really thinking we could go to that 96 here. And I was seeing this drop. This took a massive drop today, by the way. I'm just talking about this because, it's something I got into today just for fun. It had taken a massive, nasty drop, dude. 80+% at some point in time. So you're at 76%. When I saw it, it was like hitting probably 90s down here. And I was like, it hit its all-time low, actually lower than its all-time low. Here, its all-time low was the 0.000 whatever, 12 there. It went all the way down to 0.00011, right? So I was like, oh man, should I buy? And then I was like, waiting, and then it started climbing. I was like, dude, I'm gonna buy around 20. And it just went really, really fast. And I started chasing. I'm like, oh, dude, it feels like I'm chasing. I hope I'm not gonna get wrecked. I ended up putting an order at 32, filled. And then it pumped more, and I was like really happy. I was able to take some profit at the first 100% hit. And then it dropped again, and I was able to get back in around the 32-cent mark again, which was pretty good. I got in twice into this one, and then I was waiting for that third time hit, and that's the one we didn't get. So I was really, really hoping here that I was going to get to play that a little bit more. So I got out here on a hit around 60 something, right? 50. What was this high here? 59. So almost 2 times here. I got out at 75% on this move down profit. I didn't take 100% profit. I took 75% profit on this move down. Then it started to climb back up. And here, I bought back in here around the 32, right around this area. And then I was really, really hoping for that, to get out to 100%. I wasn't able to. It didn't hit that level. So I'm waiting. It's a meme coin. Also, memes drop because Vitalik sold, right? He sold a lot of meme coins and gave them to charity. Ethereum, Bitcoin, 50,300. Ethereum, 3,933. Markets are trying to hold. To hoot for you, Elon is a, yeah, I agree, dude. I cannot read it, but yeah. Do I have something to do for that? I'm not sure, man. Yeah, I guess we're gonna do where are them claps, right? Where are them claps? There we go. I'll applaud your comment. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, right? Join some Discord. Things going out right now. Pedro, Eagled. Dude, Pedro, night stream. Right now, I'm just looking at the corn and, whatever got tipped on, donated. Because we want to see where the Bitcoin's going to go. Because it was dropping, right? Everyone wants to know what's happening with Bitcoin. We just already discussed. Elon tweeting drop dead, right? So you're going to even, probably put an arrow here. Be Elon's tweet. That way we know Elon's tweet dropped the market here. So again, markets sometimes drop and we cannot foresee those drops with technicals. Although we had the hidden divergence there for action downside, we had moved down. We're trying to bounce. We're attempting a good rally, right? We're at 58,000. We dropped all the way to 48,000. It was like a $10,000 drop real quick. And even some more, right? 45 here on this next candle. But I don't believe, sometimes these events are not foreseen, right? And this, we cannot attribute to this divergence, right? So if you're not following the news, so you know what's happening with the news, you see it's happening. Elon tweeted this. We've already shown it a couple times. Tesla suspending vehicle purchases using Bitcoin because the fossil fuels that are used to mine Bitcoin, which people are going out to say, yo, that's a lie, Elon. You're full of it. We'll see. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Not the first time Elon tweet has moved the market. I know. They should take away his cell phone or his Twitter account. Again, we had the divergence hidden here on the 4-hour fraction of the opposite. That is playing. It looks as though we want to hold support. Right now, we're going down a bit. 50K. Come on. We got to hold 50K. You got to start thinking about holding 50K for us to be able to, sustain this and maybe aim to go a little bit higher. So 50K would be a very, very good close for this 1-hour chart. It'll give some validity to the divergence that we're seeing and how it's going to play out, right? Danielle, what do you think of ADA? I think ADA's okay, man. I'm not going to go check it out right now, though. We do requests at 9 p.m. Central, right? Right now, it's just, I came live to talk about Bitcoin only because it's crashing, and I wanted to tell people to calm down a bit, to not panic, right? Not panic. How do you tell for sure the price bounce? Well, look at the large wick we have. All right. OZ Fury. Yo, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Yeah. I'm not an ADA hater, dude. I think it's a good project. Well, you see how we came really fast and then we did a sharp turn and then we turned around? That's a bounce, right? Look at the large wick to the downside. We look at how large this wick is, dude. It's ridiculous from here to here. It's a 9% wick. If you would have bought the bottom, immediate 10% returns on your investment, right? Plus whatever's at right now. Why do I hate ADA? I don't hate ADA. Oh, he said Martians hate ADA. I'm not sure if Martians hate ADA. Maybe Elon hates ADA. He's from Mars. He's probably trying to get back there. What? No. None of that. No hate in this channel. Only love in this channel. Love for crypto. It's a beginning. Yeah, maybe, dude. I think ADA is fine. I think ADA is a good project. I don't mind it. It's okay. It tries to solve an issue that Ethereum has. Can it be scalable? Yes. Can Ethereum also try to solve it? Yes. Does Ethereum has more adoption right now? Yes. That's what's giving it the advantage. Bitcoin will go up. Yes, that's why it's looking like Alex Bitcoin might go up. Needs to close about 50K. Actually, it just needs to close above this support that we are above right now. But 50K would be very, very nice for Bitcoin to hold above. I think it's better if we're above 50K than we're down here at 49,981. Sell all my Ethereum by ADA? Not right now. I think Ethereum still has a good run for it. Yeah, you guys can sub, right? Hit the bell, and the sub. We're lacking on the likes, by the way. We have like 52 people, only 20 likes. Come on, if you like the stream, just hit the like. It's very easy. It tells Bitcoin that you like what you're seeing here. It really helps us out grow the channel, because then the content gets recommended to other people. Ivan, so we can just test in the 20-week EMA and SMA. Yeah, that's what it looked like. It just bounced off, right? I'm doing okay, man. Thank you for asking. That's what it did. It bounced off the weeklies, right? And I think here we're also bouncing off something. Let me bring out the Bollinger Bands. I hit them because are we hitting the 50 here also? Yeah, we dropped below that 50. Are we dropping below the 100? Yep, we're dropping below the 100. Are we below the 200? I doubt. Oh, it's a 1 hour chart. I need to be on the daily for this. I need to be on the daily. All right, so that would be the 100. Are we 200? We're still above that 200. We don't want to break below that. Breaking below 200 moving average puts us in a very, very bad position. Bitcoin 200 moving average is right now at oh snap. I think I hit something and undid what I was doing. Let's do this to 200 again. It's around 38,000 and change. 38,892. If we drop to that level and we break below 200, it's very likely that we can say bye-bye bull run. Not because we're breaking the parabolic advance, but because every time that Bitcoin has been below, I'm going to go to another chart to show this. Every time that Bitcoin has been below the 200 moving average, it has been on a bear trend. Right? Look at this. Below the 200 moving average, bear trend. Right? Below the 200 moving average, bear trend. Right? So we want Bitcoin to be above the 200 moving average for it to be on a bull trend. And right now we are above that 200 moving average, and I hope we stay above that 200 moving average from here until November. Hopefully that'll be the case. If Elon doesn't come and tweet more BS, people should stop listening to what one dude says who owns Tesla. It's like all of a sudden Elon pukes and people want to eat it, right? These videos, and he calls a 20 weekly EMA and SMA the bull market support band. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I don't mind it. It's fine. What percent we're above the 200? That's a good question. We were was at 38,000. So it depends. Do you want to measure from up to down? It's going to be a different number, right? So to around that 38,800, we're looking around 22% drop from the low that we had. And if we go the opposite, you know, from low to up, it's gonna be a lot more. It's like 28, right? So again, it's different, right? So yeah, I would say we need to drop around 20+% for us to hit that area. Where's 200 weekly again? Oh, I wasn't looking at 200 weekly. I was looking at the 200 daily. 200 daily was 38,800 and change. The weekly 200 moving average is gonna be interesting. The 200 weekly is way down here, man. We're like super expanded on this bond, man. It's overextended. It is at 12,440. I wouldn't rely on the 200 weekly for this. I'll be looking more like at the 20 or the 50 tops, particularly with the insane spike that we got, and it hasn't had time to catch up. And yes, that we are hitting that 20 and we're bouncing. So yeah, it's not looking that bad right now. You think Elon, cheaper Bitcoin? Yeah. Oh no, dude, I got all my teeth. Trying to go back up, man. 50,000, right? We want to be above 50,000. Remember, that's what I said. We want to close about 50K. It's gonna be good, man. Crispy, what is up, dude? 20% doesn't mean, yeah. Yeah. It can be bought back up quickly. I agree. You just don't want to go bounce there. So you were asking if it's an external factor such as tweet costs, a dip below the 20. Follow immediate with recovery. Does that really count as a touch of the indicator? Yes, it still touched the indicator because the price moved. Remember, you have people, not in crypto so much, but on traditional tradings that just trade off fundamentals, right? Not off technical analysis. And that means that you look at the company's earnings reports, you look at the company's competition. Basically what, what Warren Buffett does, right? And his style of trading, which is based on fundamentals, like how good a company is going to perform, looking at, the returns that they're having, their sales that they're having, looking at the numbers to determine the performance of the company and how well it's going to go. So how much more it should be worth. That's what's fundamental, right? And news usually help those cases. Now, in the case of Bitcoin, we don't have a lot of news, right? It's not a company, doesn't have earnings. It mainly moves off technicals, and sometimes we do get these cases where we get fundamentals that are these external factors that do help move the market, right? So yeah, Elon's clearly, yeah. Heard to turn his bot back on. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people took advantage of this drop. All right. Yeah. Things you learn about Bitcoin is all news is good news, even the bad news. Yes, that's true for a lot of things, right? There's no such thing as bad news or bad publicity. Publicity is publicity. You still get it. You still get the name out there. How many people? 30 people watching. Hit them likes, getting bell and subs, guys. Come on. Join us on Discord. Links are going out right now. Right now it's a chill stream. We're just looking at Bitcoin and determine where it's going to go. I'm still going to be back here in about an hour, right? So I'm gonna leave the stream here. I'll show the dog in a second. I'm going to leave the stream here in 8 minutes. Let me bring the dog real quick. I'm back. See, there's the dog, bro. Dog's here. I don't think she likes being here, though. Not the glasses. Yeah. It's weird. I agree, man. I haven't been looking at the comments from other platforms. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't open up everything when I started. So if you're on Twitch and you were streaming and I didn't looked at your tweet, I'm sorry, man. I am trying to. I just basically jumped in. I wasn't even ready. I had no thumbnail. I had nothing. It was just, oh snap, the market's crashing. Don't let the dog lick you. I know he's. She was eating something. What were you eating? Now she's supporting everyone emotionally. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. I don't even think she likes being here for real. She doesn't like this office. She doesn't want to come in here. Yeah. See, she's like, what is this? Why am I here? Type. Sell Bitcoin. Sell Bitcoin. Sell Bitcoin. Below 49,900 again. 5 more minutes to go, right? Then I'm off and I'll be back in an hour, right? So I gotta go have dinner and come back at 9 with the actual stream. Alex, if you can help me out with the other one. With the other, thumbnail, they'll be awesome, dude. Stock market bad. War in the Middle East, yeah. Party over for S coins. I know, no gas in the US. Expect lower lows on the corn. Is that what you're saying? You miss a dog? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, alt S coins are getting annihilated because Vitalik Buterin sold. Those are gonna be the news I was gonna have for the night until Elon did us a favor and gathered us earlier. 9 p.m. stream? Yes, 9 p.m. stream, right? Again, remember, if you need requests, put them on the Discord prior to the stream starting, and that way they're pre-queued, right? One per person. That way we also have a chance for the people that are here to populate their stream. So, yeah, I think Bitcoin, it's not really above 50K. It needs to be above 50K. I mean, we are above a support, which is fine. I just think it'd be much, much better if it was above 50K, right? Dr. Crypto with the doggy. Dead cat bounce, be careful. I'm not sure if it's a dead cat bounce yet, dude. We did see probably a lot of liquidations taking place. I mean, that's why this drop happened, and that's why we're in that pullback, right? No. Closing on 50K would be okay, all things considered, to be honest. This move was so fast. Look, even here, it just dropped to 46K, and we're already recovering some of that candle in the futures, right? So 49,909. Let's see where it closes on the hour. I'll be back here again at night. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. We had 50 people. We only got 32 likes. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep on looking at Bitcoin, right? Again, crashing because of Elon. Yes, thank you, Elon, for the crash. Now we can buy Bitcoin cheaper. Now don't tweet again. Or tweet something positive. Sometimes I wish like he would just do a tweet. It would be awesome if he just stayed quiet. Gustavo. Gracias. I'll be here at 9. Okay. He already gave me like, yeah, hit it once, don't hit it twice. So once it goes to unlike. I'm kidding. It just goes away. Again, the corn. Come on. It's dropping a bit. I don't think we're going to make it to 50K again. 49,700. 50K would be nice. Dropping this support is not going to be good, right? We're almost there. We're within $100 of losing that support. I don't want us to lose that support. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Dropping that support is going to be not going to be very nice. because then we have another resistance to get above, and it's gonna put some pressure on that price. So, all right, thanks, Madison. Thanks for being here. Much appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
We're right on it. Oh, we're below it. Come on, we have 50 seconds, man, to get back above. All right, we're back above. That it just makes me a little bit more comfortable knowing that we're above supports and not have resistances, because we're gonna have a lot of resistance overhead, right? So 50K would have been nice. It's a psychological number that we now gonna have to try to get it back above again. I'm not sure it's gonna be super strong right now that we know that Bitcoin has been higher, but it'll still be a psychological resistance. 17 seconds, man. I'll see y'all in an hour, man. Be here at 9 p.m. Central for another edition of State of Crypto, right? I'll start signing off. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please just don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here again. And hit that like, that bell, and that sub on the way out. Join us on the Discord. I'll catch you again in an hour for our regular edition of State of Crypto. Until then.